Bad programmers worry about the code, good programmers worry about data structures and their relationships. But great programmers, they master them to build lightning fast, efficient code that works like magic. Welcome back, coding enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the one thing that separates good coders from great ones, understanding the power of data structures and algorithms. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Think about this. You're given a task to sort thousands of pieces of data. If you're only focused on getting the job done, you'll use any old method. But if you know the right data structure and algorithm to use, your code will run like a sports car instead of a slow bicycle. Let me give you a quick example. Searching through a list one item at a time, sure it works, but if you use a binary search algorithm on a properly sorted list, you'll get the answer in a fraction of the time. That's the difference between it works and it works fast. So, what makes great programmers stand out? It's not just writing code that works, it's writing code that's efficient, scalable, and smart. Data structures like arrays, linked lists, and hash maps aren't just concepts. They're the tools that will help you solve real-world problems quickly and elegantly. And guess what? Algorithms are the recipes that tell you how to use those tools effectively. Master these, and you won't just be coding, you'll be crafting solutions like a true pro. If you want to become the best version of yourself as a developer, start focusing on how your code works, not just that it works. That's the key to leveling up. So if you want more coding tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep growing together.